Hello and welcome to Asia Travel Slideshow. In this clip, we take you to the world-famous amazing temples of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Angkor Wat is a collection of temples near the town of Siem Reap in Cambodia. They were constructed between the 9th and the 13th century by the Khmer people, who ruled a large part of Southeast Asia at that time. Let's go visit some of the amazing temples. This is the gate of the Angkor Tomb complex, with a row of gods on one side and a row of demons on the other, and smiling faces of the gods. We see countless of these mysterious smiling faces at the Bayon temple complex, along with magnificent sculptures of apsaras, temple dancers, and scenes from daily life of 1000 years ago. At Ta Keo and Ta Prom, nature has reclaimed some of the ancient buildings. The Hollywood movie Tomb Raider with Angelina Jolie was partly shot at these jungle temples. Another highlight is Bantai Srai. The pink sandstone sculptures at this temple are ancient art and considered the most beautiful sculptures of the Angkor Wat complex. And now it's time for the main temple. Iconic Angkor Wat has pointed towers, stunning sculptures of war scenes and royal ceremonies, and lovingly sculptured dancers. You can spend hours just admiring this site alone. We hope you have enjoyed our presentation on the amazing temples of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Thanks for watching Asia Travel Slideshow. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. For more presentations, please also visit our YouTube channel, Thailand Travel Slideshow, and our YouTube channel, World Travel Slideshow. Thank you.